The Expert Advisor is rewritten from Incurred for the author Alejandro Galindo and Tom Mainville, published by Scripta. Link to the source https://www.incurred5.com, code 7598. How it works. The Expert Advisor opens position according to signals taken from different indicators. Required indicators. There are 6 variants of trade signals on the indicator MACD. When the indicator grows, it is allowed to buy. When it falls, it is allowed to sell. On the pivot line's time zone indicator, if price is higher than the pivot level, a buy is allowed. If it is lower, a sell is allowed. On the support and resistance indicator, when resistance level is crossed upwards, a buy position opening performs. If support level is crossed downwards, a sell position is opened. On the I trend and the RSI indicators, when green line of the I trend is higher than the red line and raises, RSI raises, then a buy opens. When green line of the I trend is lower than the red line and falls and RSI falls, then a sell opens. On the A trend, RSI, and stochastic indicators, when green line of the I trend indicator is higher than the red line and raises, the main stochastic oscillator is higher than the signal, and raises staying between high and low levels, RSI raises, then a buy opens. When green line of the I trend indicator is lower than the red line and falls, the main stochastic oscillator is lower than the signal and falls staying between high and low levels, RSI falls, then a sell opens. On the I trend, RSI, stochastic MFI indicators, when green line of the I trend indicator is higher than the red line and raises, the main stochastic oscillator is higher than the signal and raises staying between high and low levels, RSI raises, MFI raises, then a buy opens. When green line of the I trend indicator is lower than the red line and falls, the main stochastic oscillator is lower than the signal and falls staying between high and low levels, RSI falls, MFI falls, then a sell opens. Initial position volume is equal to lots variable, or calculated proportionally to ready assets maximum risk variable when lot 0. If position becomes unprofitable, its volume is increased. Volume is increased through 1 pip step of point from last deal price in case of a trade signal corresponding to position direction. At first, increase of volume is performed by multiplying lot by 2. Then the number of deals with multiplying by 2 is defined by double count variable. After that, multiplying by 1.5 performs. The total number of single sequence deals is defined by max count variable. First of all, the position opens with take profit. Take profit 2 variable is used when volume is increased. Take profit level is calculated from total position price. If take profit 0 or take profit 20, the initial position or position when volume is increased will be without take profit. In this case, trailing function trailing stop variable must be used. The last increase of volume is performed by setting stop loss variable. If stop loss variable value is equal to 0, stop loss won't be set. The results of work of the Expert Advisor are shown in tester. Parameters trade on open position is allowed. Lot when 0, the max R parameter is used. Maximum risk default value lot 0. Stop loss in points, 0 without stop loss. Take profit in initial position in points. Take profit 2, take profit in adding in points. Max count maximum number of open positions in one side if -1 is unlimited. Double count number of deals with lot multiplier factor 2, others open with lot multiplier factor 1.5. Pips adding level in points. Trailing stop level when the value is 0. The trailing stop is disabled. Shift bar on which indicators are checked. 0 forming bar, 1 first formed bar. Reverse condition change buy and sell signals. Open pos based in type of trade signals. MACD fast period of fast MACD. MACD slow period of slow MACD. MACD price. Pivot days start hour of days start. Pivot days start minutes of days start. Pivot attached Sunday bars to Monday. Suppressy period of the support and resistance indicator IT price type of price by which price and Bollinger Bands difference is calculated ITBB period of Bollinger Bands BB.ITBB shift of Bollinger Bands BB.ITBB deviation of Bollinger Bands BB.ITBB price of Bollinger Bands BB.ITBB line of Bollinger Bands IT Bulls Bears period of Bulls Bears power RSI period of RSI price of RSI, St K period of stochastic, St D period of D stochastic, St S period of S stochastic, St method the method of stochastic, St price of stochastic, St upper level of stochastic, St lower level of stochastic, MFI period of MFI volume of MFI. 1113 Best MetaTrader Indicators Profitable Expert Advisors.